Here I have Huawei Honor 20i, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the more connections, then go to the I guess not to the Wi-Fi, maybe to the you have to go to the mobile network, then you have to go to the tethering and portable hotspot, then personal hotspot. You can switch your hotspot here. You can also change some of its settings here. For example, you can change its name here. You can change its encryption type. For example, select none if you don't want to have any password. Select VPA2 personal if you want to have password. You can change your password here. And you can also set it mobile hotspot turn off timer. You can also set a data limit for users that will connect to you. You can see connected devices here. There's also a block list. And you can also switch your hotspot here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.